Now let's talk about Congress Party's Eureka moment, viewers. A sudden revelation that has sparked a debate across the country. The Karnataka government has decided to ditch EVMs and revert to good old ballot papers for the upcoming Bengaluru local polls. Their reason is the purported lack of faith in EVMs among the people. Viewers, it was the Congress Party itself that pioneered the introduction of EVMs in India back in the 80s, touting them as savior from the chaos of ballot papers, frauds, boot capturing, etc., etc. The Congress hailed EVMs as the future of fair elections, faster, more secure, less prone to manipulation. Suddenly, these machines are the villains because the Congress Party has been on a losing streak in recent polls. Could it be that the real issue is not the machine, but perhaps the Congress's own mascot, Rahul Gandhi, and their outdated strategies? But the Congress does not even want to discuss that. Here's the irony, viewers. The current Karnataka government swept to power in 2023 assembly elections using EVMs. They now distrust. No complaints back then when the votes went their way, but now they are hitting the panic button, reviving the ballot papers. Let's quickly open this up. Sanju Verma, national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, with us. Sanju Verma, are you scared that after the historic success that we would see of the ballot papers in Karnataka, BJP will not be able to do vote chori?
You know, Pranesh, before coming on your show, I did some digging around. As you are aware, in December, local body and panchayat elections were held in Karnataka, in Arunachal Pradesh, and in Goa. BJP won with a thumping majority in all these three states with 100% strike rate. But specifically coming to Karnataka, Pranesh, out of 3 urban body, local body polls, we won 2 out of 3 with a 67% strike rate. We won both the ward by polls in ward number 4 and ward number 21. But the most important thing is this. B.L. Santosh, the National Organization General Secretary, put out a tweet. Congress is in power in Karnataka, and can you imagine this? We had a thumping majority in all the 5 town panchayat elections in Karnataka in December 2025. Very quickly, in Uttar Kannada, in Manki town, MNKI, we won 12 out of 20 seats with a strike rate of 60%. In Dakshin Kannada, in Bajpe, BAJPE town, we won 11 out of 19 seats, 2 seconds, with a 58% strike rate. In rural Bengaluru, we won 15 out of 19 seats with a strike rate of 79%. And in Kinnikoli, we won 10 out of 18 seats with a strike rate of 56%. And all these elections were held on paper ballot. And BJP won the local body elections in Karnataka in December 2025. Okay. So the limited point is this. Congress is that bad worker which always blames its tools.
All right, Kamdu Zaman ji, answer that question. कि problem machine में नहीं है, आपके mascot में है.
Pranesh, first and foremost, the Constitution of India says you must hold the elections free and fairly as much as possible. There has been serious doubt whether proved or unproved is a different question. On the technical evidence for widespread EVM tampering, even if we contest this also from the other side of the political debate, let us say the perception matters in a democratic participation. It is the confidence of the people of this country that which way they want to vote. Whether it is EVM, whether it is the ballot papers, the Constitution mandates both ways. So why not try the ballot boxes once again? What's wrong with that? Why
no, nothing wrong, sir. I'm just saying that what has changed for you to go back to ballot papers, or wahan pe bhi agar, if the results are not favorable, then what will you resort to? Aap bata dijiye, fir wo show of hands hoga.
Telling that Karnataka Congress is going to win, like Sanjeev Verma had said, a manipulated voting system and win 100% strike rate. I'm not saying that. But the basic point is that when there are doubts about the election commission, like the CEC, Gyanesh Kumar, what a slap on the face he got in Supreme Court today, with regards to the Bengal SIR.
But sir, no, 1 minute. This slap in the face that you're talking about in the Supreme Court, for many in the opposition, there is no, the judiciary, doesn't function independently. You doubt the integrity of the judiciary. Here, one verdict goes in your favor or suits your narrative. Look how you're hailing Supreme Court, Satyamev Jayate, etc., etc. अभी रवि श्रीवास्तव बोलेंगे कि प्रॉब्लम है जुडिशरी में, सारे इंस्टीट्यूशंस हाईजैक्ट हैं. रवि श्रीवास्तव जी.
Yes, that you have rightly said it. But the fact is that Supreme Court has said that there is nothing wrong in doing the election with the ballot paper. And the state election.
That's okay, sir. I'm not even going there. लेकिन मैंने जो आप बात कही, आपने उसको यस बोल दिया. मुझे पता आपके मन में क्या चलता है. आईपी सिंह जी, बैलेट पेपर से होना चाहिए.
देखिए, संसद में हमारे राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष श्री अखिलेश यादव जी ने बहुत साफ तौर से कहा था कि 80 की 80 लोकसभा सीटें हम जीत जाएं, फिर भी हम ईवीएम का विरोध करते हैं. बैलेट पेपर से चुनाव होना चाहिए. 2027 में भारतीय जनता पार्टी उत्तर प्रदेश का चुनाव आयोग से कहे कि उत्तर प्रदेश में बैलेट पेपर पर चुनाव हो.
2009 ऑपोजिशन पार्टीज जब ईवीएम को लेके सुप्रीम कोर्ट गई है या कोर्ट गई है, तो कोर्ट ने कह दिया है कि ईवीएम में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. तो ये कब तक बोलेंगे कि ईवीएम में प्रॉब्लम है? करण,
जब तक जीत नहीं जाएंगे प्रणेश, जब जीतेंगे तभी तब सही माना जाएगा. अभी अगर ये बैलेट पेपर में हार गए तो आईपी सिंह साहब कहेंगे 70 जीएसएम का क्यों पेपर लिया, इट शुड हैव बीन 80 ग्राम्स पर स्क्वायर मीटर. तो दैट इज व्हाट दे आर ट्रेनिंग देयर कार्डर टू. कल को इफ दे लूज दिस इलेक्शन, कमरू जमान विल से बाय दिस पेपर फ्रॉम चावड़ी बाजार. He will select the location of buying the paper. IP Singh will lay the foundation of the specifications that the paper has to be bought. This is the madness that we are seeing, Pranesh, right before our eyes. Till they don't win, I think BJP has to ensure that they win 1 or 2 elections so that they start praising the credibility of elections in India. Such is the sorry state of affairs they've reduced to. They keep losing and they keep blaming other factors.
कैसे देखते हैं आप, कैसे देखते हैं इसको सर कि बैलेट पेपर से टराएंगे अब?
First of all, I would like to say that I see this move as the winning of the democracy when there are several questions raised by the opposition on the EVMs, and they want this ballot paper to be used in the elections, and that is the greatest win for the democracy once and for all. Let us try this example. Even if after the ballot paper Congress doesn't win or Congress doesn't make to the point, that's for sure that there is a problem in Congress. When the question is raised on the method of election, this is a very good time to see whether the charges of vote chori are in real or not. So the State Election Commission has taken the very good initiative and a step wherein they want to use the ballot paper.
Okay, Sanju Verma, you have the last word.
बड़े बेआबरू होकर तेरे कूचे से हम निकले, बहुत मेरे अरमान निकले, लेकिन फिर भी कुछ कम निकले. The opposition should know that for the first time EVMs in state assembly elections were used on a large scale in 1998. The Congress won Madhya Pradesh, Congress won Delhi, Congress won Rajasthan, BJP lost all the 3 states. 2004 general election EVM के द्वारा हुआ था. Congress led alliance came to power. 2009 general election EVM द्वारा हुआ था. Congress led alliance came to power. BJP lost. तब सब सही था. मीठा मीठा गप गप, कड़वा कड़वा थू थू. That is the hallmark of the opposition's rabid politics. And let me tell Ravi Srivastava, you are jumping at one judgment of the Supreme Court. CJI Chandrachud, the former CJI said.
No, let him celebrate. No, whether it is one judgment, half judgment, Sanju Verma ji, उनको ये तो celebrate करने दीजिए, नहीं तो वो बोलेंगे institutions are hijacked. Let him celebrate. I just want to, end by quoting what was said in Rajya Sabha. This is 10th March 1988. Government is keen to introduce electronic voting machines in some of the key constituencies in the country in view of certain definite advantage in the system over the existing ballot paper system. This was the Congress party. अब ये पेपर का GSM और वो जो बाकी specifications है वो check कर लीजिएगा. The paper that I'm reading from. But viewers, that is what it is. Let's see how this ballot paper saga unfolds. Thanks for watching. The news are coming up on the other side.